This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what's essential: a bot token node, JS, and a project folder. Once done, initialize npm and install Discord. JS plus dotenv to keep secrets safe. You create a simple index, JS, and load the token from env so you never hardcode credentials. Make sure to invite the bot with proper permissions, bot and application, commands if needed. This immediate setup gets you into coding quickly and explains why separate env files improve security and ease future changes. Next, you implement the quote logic. Listen for a command prefix and parse subcommands like add, get, random, and list. You choose storage, JSON for tiny bots, SQLite for persistence, because stable storage prevents data loss when the bot restarts. Once a command arrives, sanitize input, validate permissions, and push entries with timestamps and author ID so you can attribute quotes later. After that, add a random selector and pagination for list results. This keeps UX smooth and performance predictable. To finish, deploy the bot and run it under a process manager so it auto-restarts. Configure environment variables on the host and confirm the token works. Once deployed, add rate limits and robust error handling to avoid spam and crashes. Make sure command permissions align with your server roles and test edge cases like duplicate quotes or empty responses. If something breaks, check logs first. One key tip is to verify the token and intents. Most failures trace back to missing intents or a revoked token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.